In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write stories with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Writing a story can sometimes be a daunting task, but with the help of ChatGPT, crafting a narrative can become an enjoyable and smooth process. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to access ChatGPT. You can do this through any web browser. Just type in the website address, and it should take you right to the ChatGPT page. Make sure you're logged in to your account. If you don't have one yet, it's really easy to create. Once you're in, you'll see a text input box where you can start typing. Now, when you're ready to write your story, think about what you want the story to be about. The more specific you are with your prompt, the better the output will be. Let's say for this example, I want to create a long story that revolves around a funny incident at home. So I'll type something like, write a long story about something funny that happened at home. After you've crafted your prompt, go ahead and hit Enter on your keyboard. This action sends your request to ChatGPT, and you'll need to be a little patient while it processes your input. You'll see it generating the story, and within moments, words will appear on your screen. As you wait, think about what elements you want in the story. Are there particular characters you want to include? Maybe your family members, pets, or even an imaginary character that adds a twist. You can always ask ChatGPT to incorporate specific elements in its narrative. So let's say that I want to add my cat Whiskers into the story. You could modify your initial prompt to say, write a funny story about something that happened at home, including my cat Whiskers. Just remember to enter the updated prompt after adjusting. Once ChatGPT has finished writing the story, take a moment to read through it. Isn't it amazing how it can spin tales from just a simple prompt? You might find that the story is exactly what you envisioned, or perhaps even better. If you feel the story isn't quite right, don't hesitate to go back to the text box and ask for revisions. You might say, can you make it more humorous, or add a twist at the end? The beauty of using ChatGPT is that you have the creative control. You can generate various versions of a story, explore different genres, and experiment with different writing styles until something truly resonates with you. It's all about playing around with prompts and seeing what fits your vision. Once you're satisfied with the story, consider some final touches. If you're looking to share it with others, you might want to edit it a little or format it nicely so that the final product feels polished. Maybe you'd like to add illustrations or make it a family read-aloud. The options are endless. And there you have it. You've just learned how to utilize ChatGPT to write a long story. Remember, the key lies in how you construct your initial prompt and how you interact with the generated content to shape it into what you desire. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more engaging content like this. I hope you get to create some fantastic stories using ChatGPT. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy storytelling!